Hey guys, what's up? We got a box break here for my boy Brian. 2011 National Treasures. Just kidding. That's for Darren. Not Darren, for Mark. Darren has, I have a case for Darren coming in, so that should be coming up here in the next few days. Mark wanted a single box, so that's going to be for Mark. But Brian's going to get a box of 2011 certified football. Box number 81, and hopefully we get him something good out of here. So here we go. Oh, also got 2011 totally certified up here in triple thread still for sale, guys. Good prices on them, so just let me know if you guys are interested in it. Empty. Redemption. Freshman Fabric, card 280. $280 is going to be Daniel Thomas. It's going to be a dual jersey autograph, rookie. You got New Generation, David Osbury to $9.99. Michael LaShore to $9.99, rookie. And Christian Ponder to $250, jersey, rookie jersey. Alright. Got Greg Jennings, looks like mirror gold to 25. Short print. 5 out of 25 on that one. You got New Generations, Jordan Cameron, rookie. To $9.99. You got New Generation, Cecil Schwartz, rookie to $9.99. You got Phil Simms to $99, Immortals jersey. Number 44 out of 99. Kyle Rudolph to $9.99. Wes Welker, mirror red, $250. Alright, buddy, you need an autograph here. Tyron Smith, rookie autograph. Number 25, short printed. 22 out of 25. It's mirror something. I forgot which one's number 25. But Tyron Smith, rookie mirror something 25 autograph. Alright, buddy, I appreciate it. I'll get this stuff shipped out with insurance and delivery confirmation for you. Just let me know if you need anything else, buddy. Alright, thanks a lot. See ya.